Welcome to Economics Jamb 2011 past question. Question number 18. A firm will experience diseconomies of scale. Option A says when there are difficulties in coordinating production. Option B says there is shortage of labor supply. Option C says the size of the market is small. Option D says there is an increase in the price of raw materials. So the external economies of scale. External economies of scale. This economies of scale, on the other hand, refers to the disadvantage a firm experiences when the activities of one or more industries increase the cost of production or output of that firm within the same location. So a firm will experience the economies of scale when the price of the market is small. So option C is the right answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.